2020. Quite a year, right? Presenting my 20 days of 2020. So let's see how it went.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing 20 days of 2020. 2020 flew away like anything, and in the blink of an eye we are at the end of the year. I know there's nothing much could have happened this year for many of you guys, and that is also true for me as well, but there are also a little more personal moments that I really that are really valuable to me. And I feel if there was no lockdown, you guys will also agree that we wouldn't have bonded with our friends and families that much. And so here are my 20 best days of 2020. So let's begin. So 1st January 2020. So in the month of December of 2019, I did a mini shoot at my place. In that shoot, I was wearing a kurti from my mom and a silver jewelry. Actually, it's a ear cuff from Quirksmith. I really love their jewelry and I got that with my own money. So I was wearing a ear cuff that was their best seller, which said Dekho Magar Pyar Se. So on 1st January I posted some of the pictures from that shoot, and like every other people I tagged Quirksmith. After few hours I saw them featuring me in their page, and that was, by the way, my very first feature. So it felt really good. I felt like 2020 has started on a good note. And since it's a first feature, it will be always special to me. Anyways, 2nd January. So I think I haven't talked about this, that I'm a student of IIEST Shibpur. So what happened on 2nd January is we didn't have really much classes. So two of my friends and me, we went to the botanical garden and we spent the entire day roaming around, clicking pictures, eating food and talking about silly things, and I felt really good. I felt like forest, tall trees, greeneries. In fact, the color of green really attracts me. I felt very close to the nature. It was a really well spent day and it will always be very special. Now coming to the next day, it's 18th January. 18th January was the day I first vlogged for my channel. Actually, we went to a art exhibition organized by her school. For the first time, I guess, spent an entire day with her, vlogging and clicking pictures and talking about art. And it was such a well spent day. We did a lot of fun things there. So 25th January was my convocation day. I graduated with a BTech degree from Heritage. It was really a nice day. I got ready and in fact filmed a video, me getting ready, and also reunited with my old friends and classmates after like an year and a half. So it was a really nice nostalgic day for me. Now the next is 27th Jan. So since it was the week after convocation, so all my friends were at Kolkata. So on 27th Jan, I met with my oldest, my childhood friend. So I did schooling with that friend as well as I did my BTech college. So you can understand how many years, and we have been best friends since then. And also, by the way, she has superb knowledge about food. So we generally go on dinner dates or any food dates, and it was really a nice evening. So the next one is 9th February, and by the look of my face you can understand that this is a really exciting day for me, because this was the day when I got my very first tattoo.
Hi guys! So today I have thought of doing my first ever tattoo. So I don't know, I'm really very scared, but also given that I'm super excited because this has been always my dream.
I'm crazy about tattoos. Actually, I really like art. I like to paint. So I also like body art. So which means I like tattoos.
Let's hope I get less amount of pain. I'm shit scared about that, but still I'm gonna have it because I really want to have it.
And it was really random. I got up in the morning without knowing that I would do something crazy like that. actually that was the month where I started exploring new things, and also that time I felt like 2020 will be my year. But then universe, I think, laughed at me, and I think to everyone through pandemic like this. So I reduced myself to a couch potato, and that's a different story. I was so excited, so excited, and yeah, it was, the tattoo was worth every pain, I feel. And I have got, as you can see, it's an year, but it hasn't faded. Also, by the way, I vlogged the entire tattooing process and my feelings and my opinions about it, but then I didn't post it because what the hell, everyone does tattoos nowadays. It would be very silly for me to be so excited about something like that. But now that I think of, I should have posted it because it's my channel, and yeah, I should have posted it. So the next day, it's not a particular day, it's a particular week. It's the first week of March basically. All my friends from the college were in town. Actually had two good friends from college. One is Tanushree and another one is Shomi. The entire week we went out. Mainly Tanu and me went out and explored a lot of restaurants from Kolkata, and we had a really great time talking about life and how life changed from the days of college and now basically, and it's like a different vibe. So really had great time. And also the last day of that week, we three reunited, partied, and we danced, we did crazy shits, and I in fact had a really good time with my friends. Now 27th July, I still remember very distinctly. That was the first or the second rain of the season. And at this time, I have completely stopped doing anything creative, reduced myself to a little bit of mine, and spent the entire month spending money on Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar and whatnot, and started feeling anxious and felt like I cannot be productive, or it's not in me, creativity is not in me. But on that day, it started raining, and I don't know what happened. I opened my camera after like a month or two, and I started taking photos and videos of rains, clouds, and everything that felt like something. I don't know how to explain. And then at the end of the day, while rewatching what I have taken the entire day, I felt like I could be lazy, I could be unproductive for days, but creativity cannot be seasonal for me. So the next day is 14th August. At this moment, I have started posting YouTube videos on a regular basis. So this was the day when I posted my razor video. It was basically a Miniso versus Tinkle razor video. That video crossed more than 1,000 views, and I was really shocked. Also, shockingly, I didn't plan that video. It was so random. I didn't know why that video got liked by so many people. I have no reason. And also, this is so true that you cannot plan virality. It's always out of luck. And till now, that was the most viewed video of mine. I still cannot get it why that video got so many views. Also, from that video, I felt that views doesn't actually matter at all. It's the content that gives you happiness. That video didn't give me happiness until I got all those views. But there are a lot of other videos that didn't, get so many views, but I got really more happy creating those videos. So yeah, it's just a creator thing. So the next day is also an very important day, and it's 31st August. It's actually my sister's birthday, and I think you guys have watched my vlog. I have made 2 vlogs out of her birthday. So it was also a really very important day for me. I planned a lot of things, and touch wood, it went really well. So the next one is not a particular day, but I feel a particular month. It's basically the entire span of September. On 6th September, I basically posted my first makeup transition video on Instagram. And actually September was the month of me experimenting with a lot of makeups and trying out and getting better at it, of course. And in fact, there was so much taboo with makeup. You cannot do makeup if you're not a girl, or good girls doesn't put a lot of makeups on their face and shit like that. Me trying out makeups and validating the fact that I do like makeups because of the art of it is a really brave thing for me. And since then, I am only growing. So yeah, I really enjoy makeup very much, and on those days when I don't feel good, it lifts me up. The next one is 2nd October. So 4th October is basically my birthday, and 2nd October I was staying at my friend's place because it was the time of the Durga Puja, and unexpectedly they celebrated my birthday. It was so sudden and I was so surprised. It was a really fun day for me. And also when I came back home on the 4th October, mom made so many favorite foods of mine, and I also cut the second cake with my family. So my birthday in 2020 was really good. Friends and also my family, my sister, everyone did their part to make my day great. Moving on, 2nd October. This is basically not a very memorable day as such. So this is the day when I posted one of my Halloween makeup looks on Instagram, and till now this is the best makeup look I have created. That's my favorite one. I felt I was most creative on that look. Now the 14th October, actually these days are not like, if you guys click this video just to see me talking about something great happened to me this year, it's not. I'm just a girl like you guys, and I'm just sharing my days that I really liked. So this is the day. On 14th October, I posted a YouTube video which was a musical sort of a clothing try on haul video, and I feel not much people have done that, and when I posted I felt I was the first person to do that kind of concept, and I felt like that was a really cool concept that came into my head. And yeah, that was also a really creative day for me. On the first week of December, I got myself a new macro lens for phone. By the way, everyone was asking me it's a camera lens or not, only because I love clicking photos, so I thought let's just up my game by getting a macro lens. And on that day I first took out my macro lens and started taking really very silly pictures of my plants, close-up pictures basically of my plants, eyes, flowers, anything, insects, and the pictures turned out so good. I was so excited that I even edited it on the very evening and posted it on my Instagram. So it was a really fun day for me. My mother also got really excited seeing those photos. So yeah, moving on. Now this is 22nd December. This was the day when I shot my Pictionary video. On that day after shooting the video, we came back to our bed, and me and my sister was talking about this whole day. That day we didn't feel like we are in front of the camera. We were being so candid while playing the game. We also ended up planning to play the game again. I have shot a lot of videos with her, but that was the most fun one. Now 26th December. So 26th December is the day when I hit 100 subscribers. I know to nobody I think it will be a achievement, but to me it is, and that number just reminded me to just create more and to believe in myself. So yeah, that's about how I spent my whole 2020. So 2020 would be one of those years where I got a little better of being the best version of myself. For sure it will be one of those years of my life. So yeah, on that note, I'll meet you guys in my next video, and yeah, bye.
The trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go now.